it's Mona here at Craft Klatch. Today is Friday, that means it is another Coaster Friday. Since Easter is coming up, I decided to do some eggshells. I didn't happen to have any colored eggshells on hand, so I was going just plain white. But if you guys happen to have them after Easter, be sure to make a coaster out of it and share it on my Facebook page because I'd love to see it. But today we're going to just stick with the white. For this coaster, I have 2 ounces of resin already mixed, and I have a bunch of eggshells. All I did is I crushed them. These are from hard-boiled eggs, and I'm going to throw some in here. Now, you do have to remember, eggshells are a natural material and kind of fibrous, so you just want to make sure that you realize you're going to have to come back quite a few times when you are popping the bubbles. But I'm just mixing them in here, making sure they get all covered. And yes, coloring them might have a really cool effect too. Alright, now that I have them mixed in, I'm going to just pour it right into the mold. And I will have the mold linked down in the description below, like I always try to have on there. And then I'm going to spread them around to get them as flat as I can. And if you need to break one or two because they're too big, by all means do that. There are a ton of bubbles in here. Now I'm going to take my lighter, pop those bubbles, and then we're going to let this sit a minimum of 12 hours, and then we'll come back, take it out, and see how it looks. Here's the eggshell coaster. We're going to pop this right on out. And this turned out nice and clear. And some of the shells seem darker than others, but I think that's just how the resin happened to soak into the actual shell. I think if you have it on a different colored background that's shining through, I think that would look pretty cool as well. Like if you had it on a red background or something, all of a sudden, you know, it shines through and gives it a little contrast. Here it is with a pink background, and I think it looks pretty nice. I like the contrast of the white with the color behind it. Be sure to let me know what you think of the eggshell coaster down in the comments below. I hope you like the eggshell coasters, and remember, if you are going to try some with colored eggshells, I'd love to see them. Share them on my Facebook page, and I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.